Hey guys, it is Megan here and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be turning my one slime into a jiggly slime. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do that. But before we get on the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and post notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to get a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is comment down below, #CoolClub, and you will get a shout out in my next video. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Also guys, I have this cute little blanket on my bed now, and then over here as well. So yeah, but anyways, let's get started. So I have my slime and I'm actually gonna get a piece of it. Oh gosh. Okay, so I had this huge batch of slime and I just took some slime from it. So now I'm gonna go to the restroom, whatever you wanna call it. And I'm going to, oh, that was loud. Hold on. I'm gonna get my tripod so it would be better. Get my tripod. Now we're gonna go to the bathroom and do it. And I'm gonna set it on my tripod. Okay, so I've got you guys on my tripod, and now I am going to face you guys down so you can see. So I got my huge batch of slime right here. And now I'm going to put some water in it. There we go. And now I'm just going to soak it in there. So now I'm just going to let it soak in there and knead it, because I want the water to absorb into the slime. Here, let me face you guys down a little bit more so you can see the slime better. There we go. This is probably gonna take a while, but it's okay. And just to let you guys know that your slime will get bigger, so you don't have to have a huge batch of slime because it's gonna get bigger when it's in water. So it doesn't really have to get any bigger. So yeah. But you're gonna let it soak in the slime while kneading it. And just a heads up, guys, it's gonna be very weird and very slimy texture, so be aware for that. But yeah, I haven't really gotten any and nobody wants to get a shout out, guys. Make sure if you want to get a shout out in the next video, just comment down below. #CoolClub. And you'll get a shout out in the next video. So guys, this is basically like healing. I don't know what's going on. It really doesn't want to soak into it. So I really don't know what's going on. It also does take a while though. So you have to be prepared because it takes a really long time. And I will just see you guys after I'm done kneading it and all the water's completely gone. Okay guys, so this slime has gotten very, I don't know what to call it, but it's gotten very more jigglier, softer, I guess. I don't know, because it was a bit harder in the beginning. But also, just a heads up, you probably want to soak it in warm water because it will help the process. But it is very, I don't know, very more thick now. You can also make this with a stick slime. Just saying, guys, this can also be a tutorial on how to make thick slime, because this slime is very thick. Just saying. So now I have the drain down. I'm just gonna put my slime in the sink, but I'm gonna make sure it gets cleaned off first. The sink. I don't want to put my slime in a dirty sink. That'd just be disgusting, guys. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to put my very thick slime in there. Warm water, not hot. Actually, I don't think it matters. I think you can probably do hot water. I wouldn't recommend it though, because I think it would probably melt your slime. Even though it's not really do that. Oh gosh, all the glitters are getting everywhere in the water. Make sure your slime doesn't go apart on you, because that would be very bad if it did. Also, just a heads up, you might want your slime to be a bit hard after it does this, because it will get very sticky if it's not already hard. Just saying. My slime was super duper hard in the beginning. Well, it wasn't super duper hard, it was pretty hard in the beginning, so yeah, and oh my gosh, my slime is getting apart everywhere. Oh gosh, guys. No. It's coming apart. Okay, there we go. Gotta hold my slime more. So it's coming apart very easily. That's why I was warning you guys, if you want to be careful. It's going to come apart on you. So it's starting to do that right now. And I'm getting super scared because I don't want to clog my drain. I need to get all this slime, guys. So this was a fail. I will just see you guys when I get everything out of the sink first. I can't really touch the camera though, because as you can see, I'm a mess right now, and I told my parents not to come in here because I'm making a YouTube video. So they won't be coming in here. Gladly though. I don't want them coming in here because it's a mess in here and it's really bad. I don't want to clog up the sink, so I don't know what to do. This is definitely not what you're supposed to do. I shouldn't have just gone with it. I should have done what my instinct told me to. So I'm just gonna get a wipe and clean this mess up. I don't know what to do right now. It's all over the bowl. All over the sink, and it just splattered on my shirt. Guess I deserve that. Now I'm going to start unclogging the drain. And I'm pretty sure the drain's already clogged because it took forever to release. So, yeah, this is not a good idea, guys. It was very fail. It was a fail. So, slime got in my drain. Oh well. I have this pen thing though that will hopefully help me stir it up without getting it all over my hands. So, I'm going to bend down and do it. Let's see. So, yeah. It kind of just looks like very deactivated slime. Very sticky slime. There's still some water in there, but I'm just gonna let it absorb into the slime while stirring it because I don't want to get my sink clogged again because of my slime. So my slime is very, very sticky, guys. It is unbelievably sticky. I don't know how much sticky it can get, but it is very sticky. Probably because I accidentally used hot water instead of using lukewarm temperature or like just warm temperature, so that was a bad idea. But I do have some slime activator so I can activate it after I stirred it up a little bit more. I don't know if there's still some water on the bottom or not. It is still very sticky, so I don't know how to check if there is or not. And it just went over the side of the thing. Oh, buddy. This is a very sticky slime, as you can see already. Very sticky. So, I'm gonna go get the activator and I'll see you guys. Okay, so I got the activator in an actual plastic spoon to start it with this time. So I'm gonna get the activator and put it in the slime. I don't want to add too much though. But yeah, the slime is a very sticky slime. I don't know why, probably because I melted it. Yeah, there's still some water in the bottom. I can tell. Yep, still sticky. Add more activator. Slow and steady wins the race. More like, when's the possibility of me making jiggly slime? Also, sorry it took me so long to make it. Yay, it's not really that sticky anymore. Okay, now I can actually poke it and play with it. It's just a bit sticky though. So, oh my goodness. Okay, I thought it went on my wall for a second. I was like, is this still a bit sticky slime on my wall? I am in huge trouble. So. But I am going to keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing it. I'm gonna make a thumbnail real quick. Actually, never mind. I'll make my thumbnail later. No, I got the slime on my tripod. No. Okay. Anyways. Oh gosh, I just got something on me. Comment down below what you think the odds of me making this slime is. Or you can just fast forward this video. Okay, this is gonna take a while, so I'll see you guys after I get the slime activated. That's literally how thick it is. It literally like won't pop instantly when I put my hand in. That's how thick this slime is. I'm gonna put how to make a thick / jiggly slime, but I don't know, you guys probably won't click on my video because there's a whole bunch of other people that have like way more subscribers than me. But yeah, that was basically it, guys. If you made a mistake like I did, you would definitely need activator. But if you didn't, then you're fine. But this slime is like so good. Like, I don't know, it's just really good. I gotta make it. Oh gosh. But yeah, my point is this slime is a very good slime. Sorry if this bugs you, because usually if I have like a little hole right there, I would poke the hole. So that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button and I will see you all next time. Bye.